Now we are going to find the frequency distributions from the plant height data sets. The frequency distribution, that means we are looking for the values which are the repeated one. So here we can use this data sets to find out the frequency distributions, right? So in the new Microsoft Office, if you are looking for that one, first you have to create the bins. So for example, here you can see that the minimum value is 32 and the maximum value is 50, right? So we can create the bins according to that. We can create 30, and it's up to you like how you can find if you're looking for the with the interval of 2, 3, 4, and 5. For example, we just take the with the interval of 5. Okay, so here and then we are looking for the frequency here, right? So first of all, like if we are looking for the frequency, the formula is just like same. We are just have the equal sign, then we will write the frequency. First, it will ask you about the data array. This is the data from which we are looking for the repeated values. And then the bins array. So here we have selected this bins array, right? So we will see, so it will tell you about this data. So these values give you the values that is actually from 25 to 30 less than, right? So here the values are from 30 to 35, similarly 36 to 40, similarly all the values that represents the frequency, right? So this formula sometimes fails in the old Microsoft Word versions. How you can do with this one, right? So for example, here we are using in that one, if you are looking for the frequency in old versions, so what you have to do, first you have to select these cells, right? For example, here how many bins, so we can select one more cell according to the bins, right? So we have selected these cells, here we want to see, and then we will write the frequency for the old one, right? So first of all we have to select data array, right, and then comma, and then we have to write the bins, right? So here we have put the parenthesis before entering. Here we don't need to just press enter. First we will select control shift and then press enter, right? So then you can also find like this one, so this parenthesis is also in the middle bracket, so this one. So this would be used for the old versions of the Microsoft Word, right? So the answer would be same, but sometimes like what will be the issues, so when we select the previous formula and it gives only the value of the first frequency, it will not find this one. But if we will use this one, right, so first of all we have to select the cells, then after putting the formula we just have to press, instead of enter we have to press shift control shift enter, right? So this is how you can find. The third option is that, so when you go to the data analysis, and then we can select the histogram, right? So first of all here you just have to select the data, and here the bin. So we can select the bin, and then labels, if you have selected this label. Output range we want to select here, okay, and the chart output. So we can find the same frequency and frequency table histogram. So here if you want to create the histogram of this one, you can also create like this one and this one, right? So this one the frequency you can find. So it's up to you how you can, if you want to be show this data labels, data tables, and then if you want to be select in different representations, so you can present in the this one. So